Are you done with me?
He said, "No,
He's
Sam."
probably saying, "Are you?"
He goes, "I'll beat you before you get me. I can get you down." Go, you started it.
Is this normal?
Yeah, if you tease him like that, yeah, it is. It's normal.
Does he like it or is he laughing?
Is he laughing?
Where did he go?
He's laughing at you. Look, he's standing in the distance like, what? He goes, "I just go to the other side. What you got?" A guy does his.
Get him, Achilles. Get him.
This looks like the movie The Birds. Look at it. I'm not hurting him.
No, he's actually standing back there staring at you.
Where'd he go?
He goes to the other side. He goes, "Yeah, I'm going to make you chase me."
It's like, hey, how are you?
Hi, how you doing? I'm over here.
I got it. What do you think of that, buddy?
He steps. He's used to that. Index finger when it goes out like that, he steps.
And the shoulder.
And the shoulder. As soon as you hold it here, boom, shoulder.
So there went that effort, huh?
Let me see. I want to see the video.
Thumb out of mouth.
That's me.
I'm just waiting for him to drop the deuce.
You too.
The big deuce.
You're gonna go poop on him. Look at him just sitting there chilling now like I